what I might do, because now will you sit down with your back?
Yes.
No, it's not. He's just facing it. He's just deciding that actually. What we need to do, more so because you're not going to sit still, is what I would do, when you do that, if you can hold with the lead, because that will then mean, that as you move, he's not falling off on the, so it's not going to be uncomfortable. And that's my main thing, that we don't want to be uncomfortable. Now, so, now, this is where you have to
What weight? Weight. Weight.
Good.
What a good boy.
Very, very great. That's very great. Now,
What weight?
you've got much
Weight.
Now,
Good boy.
it's no worse than having several vaccinations in one country.
Weight. Spot weight.
Wait.
What a good boy. Spot weight.
Oh, that is enough. Yeah, I have got it. Now, the thing I get on, I may reposition the top one because it is quite good.
Yeah.
Now, so, before we do anything else, we have one of these, and then we're going to have we'll do flat fingers next time, won't we? So, this is very clear. This is going to go in the middle. So I'm going to turn it on first.
Weight.
Very great. I'll take that out for you again. I might, I'm going to reposition that top one a minute, just in case.
Weight. Pull that one off there. Spot weight.
Yeah. You hold that in that hand. Right, sorry lads, that's that can. Let me have a look and see what we've got first. I'm just going to have a look at that. I'll see if I can get a slightly better one each side.
Spot weight.
It is showing all the ones that
You can hear Chris back. It looks very nice.
we are getting it back. I'm going to do right. No, no. here. Not a big one, that's right. Correct here. On there. So it's not edible. It's not, I will find you something in a minute. There's a lot better. The light is not good. Get your response there, aren't you? I'll take them off one at a time, because I think. Having these in your hands, with you with me,
Yeah.
will work very well. That was so great.
Good boy. Very good lad.
That was so great.
Now, I've bought a urine sample. I managed to get one just before we set out.
Yeah.
So could you do a urine analysis as well? Is that something you could?
Yeah, you just want to do something.